Hey guys, Tony, I wanted to make this quick video. Shiba Inu absolutely just ran past that resistance, broke the trading range, and is currently trading above 30 microcents. If it manages to close this candle above that resistance and above trading range, I fully expect us to go back to relative highs, which was around 37 microcents. After that, I am fully expecting us, like I said in my last video, to run up to trend. So I think as of right now, it can definitely run up to about 40 microcents. After beating trend, I think it's going to 60 microcents. But again, it needs to close this candle above the trading range, which is that white box that I added, and also resistance at 29.30 microcents. And as long as it closes this candle and starts closing bullish candles above this, I think we're pretty set at breaking relative highs and then running towards 40 microcents, which is trend. And then the next big resistance zone, which is around 59.60 microcents. So I'll see you guys later. Big things, man. It's actually moving pretty good. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.